Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure you use an administrator account and create a system restore point now, because some fixes change system files. Open Services and find Security Center so you can check its current status. Then launch command prompt as admin and run sfc/scano to repair system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. Once done, reboot and return to services to continue if Security Center still won't start. Next, you tackle dependencies because Security Center depends on other services. If RPC or WMI are failing, WSCSVC won't start. Open Services and confirm RPC is running and set correctly, then check Windows Management Instrumentation. In an elevated CMD, verify the WMI repository with wingent/verify repository and repair with wingent/salvage repository if needed. Also set Security Center and its dependencies to manual, trigger start, or automatic. For final steps, you can reset registry entries tied to Security Center, but back up keys and export first so you can restore if needed. Use PowerShell to reset or reinstall the Windows Security UI, GetApps package Microsoft. SecHealth UI then reset or reinstall to fix corrupted app components. Once complete, reboot and test the service. If problems persist, open Event Viewer. Capture the exact error codes and describe them when asking for help, because a single error code points to the specific root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.